Father sir, Mother ma'am, Vice Principal ma'am, Coordinator sir, and dignitaries of my school, teachers and my fellow mates. Today I am Jeshta Acharya of class 10th going to share my views on the topic Women Empowerment. So first of all, a very happy Republic Day to all of you. Today is the day when our Indian Constitution came into force. Do you know about Article 14 of our Indian Constitution? It's a fundamental law of our Constitution. Anyone who know about Article 14 of our Constitution? So it is right to equality. Article 14 of our Constitution states that every gender, caste, creed should be treated equally. But wait, is it true? Are we following that article? Is that Article 14? Are we following that? You all know the answer from inside. So yesterday I have a conversation with my friend, and in that conversation we were discussing about women empowerment. So I asked, what women empowerment for you? So my friend replied that women are already empowered in the country. I said, how? So he replied that women are already empowered because from flying an aeroplane till driving a taxi, women have achieved a lot in the country. I said, are you talking about the whole country? Then he said, no, I'm from a metropolitan city, and in that metropolitan city, mostly women are self-dependent. Then I said him, came back to reality, bro. Came back to Jaisalmer, came back to those remote areas where women are still suffering for equal rights. Don't you guys agree with me? I think you are not listening me. You're not listening that serious topic about girls. I think you guys are truly misogynist. Do you know the meaning of misogynist? Nobody knows the meaning of misogynist. I think you are those ones only who believe that men are superior than women. And misogynists are those people who believe that women are superior than men. They are negligible in the society, right? And let's talk about a different category, which is fake feminists. Feminists we all know. Feminists are those people who say that men and women should be treated equally. But fake feminists are those people who shows that they believe in equality, who shows that they believe in non-discrimination, but they really believe in it. So recently I experienced something. I got bad marks in a subject, and a friend told me that why am I studying? Because as a girl, as a woman, my work is just to clean dishes and just to make food in my future. Isn't it horrible? It is. I think you all guys are misogynists who just don't support the revolution of women empowerment. Women empowerment means that each and every woman in our country should be self-dependent and should be given equal rights. But nobody is interested because everybody believes in the misogynist culture. Do you guys know about Rani Lakshmibai? Who was she? She was the woman who proved all those men and women wrong who think that women are not stronger than men. She held a child on her back and she fought for our freedom. Lastly, I just wanted to say a quote for women empowerment and for Rani Lakshmibai. मैदाने जंग में मरना है, फिरंगी से नहीं डरना है, कहती थी यह लक्ष्मीबाई, वादा पूरा करना है. Now I would like to welcome 6th, 7th and 8th girls who are going to perform a beautiful dance on women empowerment and our Rani Lakshmibai.